Gold is about to make a decisive move this week. And if you are on the wrong side of it, it could cost you big. Because right now, the market is sitting at a critical turning point and smart money is already positioning. The question is, are you? Let's break down this. Okay, first I'll explain you with the help of US dollars. Second important part is interest rate, trend Federal Reserve. Third is inflation expectation, and fourth is geopolitical tensions. So in this video I will be explaining you with the help of weekly chart, day wise chart, 2 hours chart, and then after that finally 15 minutes chart. Okay, as well as all these factors, I'll explain you what will be the effect of these on the gold in this particular week. So let's start. If you see the technical pattern, technical part of it, what we have seen, this is a weekly chart. The price is trading around $4691.70. There is a continuous upside, and I have clearly mentioned you that when there is three green candles are forming, fourth candle will be green. Okay, for this particular week we have seen it is trying to form a red candle. Okay, what this pattern is suggesting, two things that you have to note here. Dollar index is moving below a level of 100. Okay, and chances of further fall can be seen because on last week we have seen there is a lot of gap downs were there. These two patterns, if you look at all these levels, we have seen a swing has formed at a level of 4103 and another swing has formed at a level of 4392. These are the two swings we have seen. Okay, and if the price rising up this level, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, this is the trend we can see it is trying to go. If you look at this particular trend, this trend is showing towards an upside. Okay, it is now, suppose today the candle didn't break a low of around $4658, which is today's low, and the previous candle's low is around 4642. If it keep moving above this level 4642, what we can see that this particular red candle will be in between the green candle, so it will create a bullish engulfing pattern, and then we can see there can be a probability and it will create a bullish engulfing candle. So chances are high that we can see there will be a further rise movement. Okay, but what we have to understand looking at this chart, that it can make a new upside movement. Okay, so that means it will go upside, but there is a probability that it can come down also. Okay, but high will be above this level. This is what this pattern is suggesting. Okay, looking at this particular chart, but before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at this trend, there is an upside, but now it is moving in this zone. Okay, this is the zone. First it was in this zone, now it is moving in the rectangle probability. Suppose if it started going upside, we can see the next level resistance is coming at a level of $47.99, which is an R1. And if the price rising up this level, we can see a level started rising up this level, probability is high, it can move towards a level of 48.60 to a level of around $48.98. Okay, this is a resistance 3 level. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout probability, and which is very high. Today we can see there can be a volatility if the price keeps sustaining of 48.98, and probability of going towards 49.80 will be there, which is resistance 4. And if the price rising of this level, probability is high, it can move towards 5087, and then a further upside can be seen. Okay, but suppose if it started coming down, see, market is uncertain, so if you are thinking that it will move continuously upside, no, it will not. Okay, suppose if it started coming down, it can come down towards $4659, which is support 1, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 4640 is there, which is support 2. And once the price fall below that particular level, we will see that the price can touch a level of $4598, which is support 3, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen towards a level of $4423. This will go directly down after crossing a level of $455. And I've clearly mentioned you that 4600 is an important level. Okay, the clear trend is showing an upside, but it is quite volatile, so remember that the price can be on a higher side. On Friday and Thursday we have seen always a big movement. Dollar index is below $100. and I've clearly mentioned you that there is a probability that only when the price of dollar index started rising over 98, we can see there will be an upside. But if it keep moving below 97 and touch a level of 96, a further fall can be seen. Okay, so if it started rising above this level, it has to go above level of 4801, then only we can see there will be an higher side. But if it keep moving below a level of, that is today's low of 4654, and then touch a level of 4600, then we can see there can be a further fall. These two levels are very important. Okay, now coming back on lower time frame, what you can see, if you look at a lower time frame where you will understand more clearly how the price is moving. See what we have seen in the weekly chart. So your quantity, your risk, your SL and trailing SL is different as per the different charts pattern. Okay, in this particular pattern we can see that the price is creating opposite U pattern, and then there is an upside. Now it is trying to go down. So if the price started going down below a level of $46.66, we can see there will be a further fall, and once the price fall below this level, it can touch a level of $46.55. Okay, and once the price falling below that particular level, we can see it will move towards 4607. From there a further fall can be seen towards a level of 4600, and if the price going below that level, it can touch a level of $45.65, and from there a further fall can be seen towards a level of 45.37. From there a further fall can be seen towards 4500, and if the price going below that particular level, we can see there will be a further fall. So trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture downside movement. But if it started rising of this level, it can touch a level of around $47.06, and if that sustain, we can see it can move towards $47.48. Once the price rising above that particular level, we can see it can move towards, suppose if it started rising, goes up a level of 47.10, chance of touching a level 47.59, from there a level of 47.75, and once the price sustain above 47.75, chance of crossing 47.94 is there. That is a weak level, so we can see it will move towards 48.32 and then to a level of 48.58, then it can move towards 48.97. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there will be a further rise. These are the two levels that you have to understand here. We are not focusing on RSI, moving average and some of the liquidity part, but understand these two levels are very important where the change in the volume. Okay, if the price fall below 4600, which is an important level, we can see there can be a further fall. But if it started rising of 4800, we can say on the bullish scenario. Okay, and I've clearly mentioned you that 4600 is a bearish scenario. Chances are high if it keep moving down, this pattern will support downside, and we can see there can be a further fall. But if it stays in this zone, then we can see there can be a neutral zone or there can be a fake breakout. So understand that to avoid over trading and wait for a clean breakout for confirmations. Okay, so most traders don't realize that there is a consolidation phase, so where the retail traders get trapped, but buy at the resistance, sell at support, and get stopped out repeatedly. Okay, that is how the smart money is made, and you have to understand waiting for liquidity to build, wait for the breakout for the trader to enter, and then capitalize on momentum. Don't rush, let the market show its in hand. Okay, understand that gold is at a crucial level right now, and these are the two levels where we can see a good upside and downside movement. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.